In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a preferred Amazon pickup location to your address book. If by preferred pickup location you mean an Amazon locker or an Amazon hub counter, you're in the right place. Adding one to your address book lets you ship orders to a secure spot, which is great if you can't be home for deliveries or want extra peace of mind. Start by signing in to your Amazon account, either on the website or in the mobile app. From there, open your account and go to your addresses. On some versions, it may be labeled Manage Address Book. It's the same section where you store home or office addresses. On the address page, look for an option that mentions pickup points. On the web, you'll often see a link while adding a new address that says something like, or find an Amazon pickup location near you. Tap or click that link. In the app, you'll find a similar option within the address workflow. You'll be prompted to search for nearby lockers or counters. Type a zip or postcode, a city, or even a landmark to narrow it down. The results will show available pickup points with distance and hours. Take a moment to pick one that fits your routine. Lockers are self-service and often accessible late. Counters are in staffed stores and follow store hours. If you rely on evening pickups, check those hours before you choose. Once you've found the spot you like, select it and choose Add to Address Book or a similarly worded button. That action saves the locker or counter as a delivery option alongside your normal addresses. If you're offered an address label or nickname, choose something you'll recognize later, like Main Street Locker. When you're ready to order, go through checkout as usual. On the Ship to Address step, switch from your home address to the pickup location you saved. Confirm that choice before placing the order. Some items, especially large or restricted products, may not be eligible for locker delivery. If that happens, Amazon will let you know and you can switch back to a standard address for that item. After your package arrives, Amazon will send a notification with pickup details in the app and by email. If you ever want to change or remove a pickup point, return to your addresses and update it there. That's all you need to set up and use a preferred Amazon pickup location confidently.